Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. From Flight Deck, Kevin speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 1191. Headed to New York City LaGuardia Airport this afternoon. A quick 42 minutes en route from takeoff to touchdown. 21,000 feet. There is a fair amount of weather between here and New York City. Anticipated being a little bumpy, and seatbelt signs likely to be on for the duration of the flight. Appreciate you choosing American. Welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is very important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendants. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, please close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, please keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 2 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and the back of the airplane can be detached and used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. For those passengers who have elected to wear your own face mask, please remember to remove your face mask first before placing your oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the straps to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. All vests have a light that turns on automatically in the water. This aircraft is equipped with infant life vests. If necessary, flight attendants will distribute them. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft. These devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and AC outlets. We'll be coming through the aisle for our final safety checks. We thank you for choosing American Airlines. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the brief 42 minutes flight to New York's LaGuardia Airport. Once again, good evening and welcome aboard. Dimming the main cabin lights. Additional reading lights will be found on the passenger service unit directly above your seat.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
short duration of this flight, we are unable to bring the cart in the aisle. However, if there's any other request that you would like for us to meet, please feel free to call the flight attendant call bell. In-flight entertainment is available on this flight. Go to aainflight.com on your browser to connect, to watch free movies, TV shows, or to purchase Wi-Fi. As a reminder, headphones must be worn when listening to any entertainment. While you are seated, please keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off, as turbulence may happen unexpectedly. When the seatbelt sign is up, you are free to move along the cabin. However, we do request that you do not congregate in groups in any areas, especially around the galleys or lavatories. Enjoy your flight.